What's up, everybody? It's your boy Tech JRD back again with another video, and today I just want to unbox the Samsung Gear Sport real quick for y'all. Now, first, the reason why I'm making this video, you might be saying, man, it's 2018, why are you getting the Gear Sport? The Galaxy Watch is out. I didn't make a video, but I bought the Galaxy Watch cellular version through Verizon, and I was playing with it, and it didn't seem that different from the Gear S3, which I had before as well. I think I got a video on that one too. It didn't seem that different to me. I know it has more memory and a few things are tweaked, but it's like, it feels like the same watch, which the Gear Sport is the same watch as well. But the reason why I feel like the Gear Sport is the best value of any Galaxy watch or Gear watch is the price. Right now you can get it $179 on Amazon, which beats 300, 400, or close to 400 if you get a spec'd out Galaxy watch. I just feel like it's overpriced. The Gear Sport, I feel like, is like one of the better sizes if you don't want the big rugged looking one. Like, I got big hands, I'm a big man. Not all of us want the big rugged looking watch. Some of us still want regular, just regular looking watches. So that's why I'm going to the Gear Sport until Samsung makes a different one again, like instead of one size fits all, like this Gear Sport is a very nice looking watch. I like that it has just a clean machine look on the bezel versus the numbers and stuff on the Gear S3. Like, don't get me wrong, the Gear S3 is a very, very nice, beautiful watch, but for me, the Gear Sport, I feel like I like it a little bit better because for Black Friday, these are on sale on Amazon and on, Best Buy and all that stuff. So, and the Gear S3 is only $20 more than this. But like I said, I've had that before too. This one, I feel like I'm gonna like a lot more than both of them, the S3 and the other one. So let's quick look around the box. Gear Sport, Live Active. So this is supposed to be the more sporty one for more active people, which I'm trying to be more active. So hopefully this watch can help me out with that. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, we're doing this all in real time. Real time. Okay, let's see what we got in the box. Typical books. Plug it and file it, as Flossie would say. You got the bigger band here, which I'm gonna need because definitely I always need the bigger band for the bigger man. Got the wireless charger, which is nice touch. Love that about Samsung and Apple watches. You got the wireless charging. Got your charger, not a fast charger. Doesn't need to be fast charger because it's a watch, so it can charge so slow all at once. Battery's super small. Now here what we all came to see. Now look at that. Very clean face on that watch. That's the reason why I bought this watch, is that clean face. And that bezel. Gotta love the bezels. So I just wanted to talk to you real quick about, why I liked this watch over the newest stuff by Samsung. Now I bought a TicWatch, the TicWatch Pro, which runs the Android and all that stuff. Android watches are still not there yet. So, which means I love the software, but it's still like a little buggy and everything. It's not there yet. So when they can get that up there and they improve it and all that stuff, I'm going back to the Android Wear. But until then, Samsung is gonna hold down the fort for me. So that's all I wanted to talk to you guys about real quick. And I'll have a video on this coming up soon, about how much I like it after like a week and everything. But I know I'm gonna like it. I've had the Gear S3, but we'll still do a video on that. Appreciate you.